Good day everyone, my name is Maria Jonalyn Lucena from BSED 2 Block 1. Our topic for today is about cell, part of the cell, and function of the cell.
Genetics Laboratory 1. Cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. This is the cell. These are the part of the cell: vacuolus, ribosome, mitochondria, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, microvilli, centrioles, rough endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, plasma membrane, and lysosome.
Part of the cell, vacuoles,
A space or vesicle within the cytoplasm or a cell, enclosed by membrane and typically containing fluid. Ribosome, mini particle consisting of RNA and associated proteins found in large number in the cytoplasm of living cells. They bend messenger RNA and transfer RNA to synthesize polypeptides and proteins. Mitochondria, an organelle found in large numbers in most cells, in which of biochemical processes of respiration and energy production occur. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or SER, meshwork of fine-slit tubular membrane
vesicles,
part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells that is involved
in the synthesis
and storage of lipids, including cholesterol and phospholipids, which are used in production of
nucleolar, microvilli,
a finger-shaped plasma membrane protrusions that are found at the surface of the large variety of cell types, but are most numerous and elaborated on simple epithelial, for example,
intestinal mucosa,
and the epithelium of the kidney.
proximal tubule,
Centrioles, a minute cylindrical organelle near a nucleus in animal cell, occurring in pairs and involved in the development of spindle fibers in cell division. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, or RER, series of connected flattened sacs, part of a continuous membrane organelle with the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells that play a central role in the synthesis of proteins. Nucleus is membrane-bound organelle that contains genetic material
or DNA,
of prokaryotic organisms.
such it serves
To maintain the integrity of the cells by facilitating transcription and replication processes. Nucleolus, a small dense
spherical structure,
and the nucleus of a cell during interphase. Cytoplasm is a thin solution that fills each cell and is
enclosed by the cell membrane
Golgi apparatus, a
of
complex
vesicles.
fluid membrane with the cytoplasms of
Most eukaryotic cells
involved in secretion and intracellular transport. Plasma membrane,
a microscopic membrane of lipids
and proteins
which form the external boundary of the cytoplasm of a cell or enclosures of vacuole,
and regulates the passage of molecules in and out of the cytoplasm. Lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzyme. Function of the cell: vacuolus. Vacuolus are cytoplasmic organelles performing function such as storage, ingestion, digestion, excretion, and expulsion of excess water. Ribosomes have two main functions: decoding the message and the formation of peptide bonds. These two activities reside in two large ribonucleoprotein particles of unequal size. These two activities reside in two large ribonucleoprotein particles of unequal size, the ribosomal subnets. Each subnet is made of more ribosomal and many ribosomal proteins. Mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelles, mitochondrion singular, that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, in many metabolic processes, it synthesizes lipids, phospholipids as in plasma membranes, and steroids. Microvilli are non-motile finger-like protrusions from the apical surface of epithelial cells that function to increase the cell surface area and the efficiency of absorption. Centrioles are paired barrel-shaped organelles located in the cytoplasm of animal cells near the nuclear envelope. Centrioles play a role in organizing molecules that serve as the cell's skeletal system. They help determine the location of the nucleus and other organelles within the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum can either be smooth or rough, and in general its function is to produce proteins for the rest of the cells to function. Nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell, growth and metabolism, and carries the genes structures that contain the hereditary information. Nucleolus is a region found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with producing and assembling the cell's ribosomes. Cytoplasm is home many activities of the cell as contains molecules, enzymes that are crucial in the breakdown of the waste. The cytoplasm also assists the metabolic activities. Cytoplasm provides shape to the cell. Golgi apparatus is a cell organelle that helps process and package proteins and lipid molecules, especially proteins destined to be exported from the cell. Plasma membrane or the cell membrane provides protection for a cell. It also provides a fixed environment inside the cell. Lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. They break down exist or worn out cell parts.